If you're interested in making over $1,000 a day without any experience or degree, this video is for you. I'm going to talk you through a great strategy called Pinterest affiliate marketing. We'll go through every step, from setting up your Pinterest account to making those sales roll in. Let's get into it. First, it's important to understand what Pinterest affiliate marketing is. In simple terms, affiliate marketing is when you promote someone else's product. And if someone buys that product through your special link, you earn a commission. Pinterest is a great place for this because it's like a giant search engine for pictures, where people go to find ideas and products. By posting on Pinterest, you can get your affiliate link out to thousands of people, and when they buy through your affiliate link, you'll make money. Now that you get the idea behind Pinterest affiliate marketing, let's get started with how you can use this platform to make money. The first step is to create a Pinterest business account. You might already have a personal Pinterest account where you save recipes or outfit ideas, but for making money, you need a business account. It's free, and the difference is that a business account gives you access to tools that help you see how well your posts are doing. To set this up, go to Pinterest's website, sign up as a business, or convert your personal account into a business one. This only takes a few minutes and is as simple as filling out your name, email, and a few details about your business. Once you have your business account, you need to decide on a niche. A niche is just a fancy word for a topic or category that you want to focus on. It's best to pick something you're interested in because you'll be creating a lot of content about it. For example, if you're into cooking, you might choose a niche like easy dinner ideas. If you love fitness, you might choose a niche like home workouts or healthy recipes. This is important because people who are interested in those topics are more likely to follow you and click on your links. After choosing your niche, the next step is to research. This means spending some time on Pinterest looking at what other people in your niche are doing. You'll want to see which pins are popular, what kind of images catch your eye, and what keywords people are using. Keywords are the words or phrases that people type into the search bar when they're looking for something. For example, if your niche is home workouts, keywords might be easy home exercises or quick workout routines. Understanding these keywords will help you create pins that more people will find. Now let's talk about affiliate programs. These are companies that allow you to promote their products and pay you a commission for every sale you make. Some popular affiliate programs include Amazon Associates and ClickBank. To get started, you need to sign up for one or more of these programs. It's usually free, and they will give you special links to use in your pins. The key here is to choose products that fit well with your niche. For example, if you're in the fitness niche, you might want to promote workout gear, fitness programs, or healthy food items. So once you've joined an affiliate program and chosen the products you want to promote, it's time to create your pins. This is where the fun starts because Pinterest is all about visuals. Your pin is like a digital poster that grabs people's attention. To create a pin, you'll need an image that stands out. You can take your own photos, use free images from websites like Unsplash, or use tools like Canva to design your pins. Canva is great because it's free and easy to use even if you're not a designer. Your pin should be eye-catching with a clear image and maybe some text that explains what it's about. For example, if you're promoting a home workout program, your pin might show someone exercising with text like, "Get fit at home, easy 30-minute workouts." After creating your pin, you need to add a title and description. The title should be short and to the point, like Easy Home Workouts for Beginners. The description is where you can add more detail, using those keywords you researched earlier. This helps your pin show up in search results. For example, your description might say, "Looking for easy home workouts? Try these 30-minute routines that are perfect for beginners. Click to learn more." Don't forget to include your affiliate link in the destination URL. This is the link people will click on to buy the product, and it's how you'll earn money. It's also important to add a disclosure that you're using affiliate links. This is required by law in many places, and it helps build trust with your audience. You can add something simple like, "This post contains affiliate links, which means I may earn a commission if you purchase through my link at no extra cost to you." Now that your pin is ready, it's time to post it on Pinterest. You can post it right away or schedule it for later using Pinterest's scheduling tool or a tool like Tailwind. Tailwind is a popular tool that helps you plan and post your pins at the best times, which can save you a lot of time and help you reach more people. Once your pin is posted, it's not the end of the story. Pinterest is different from other social media platforms because your pins can continue to get views and clicks for months or even years after you post them. This is why it's important to create high-quality pins that people will want to save and share. To make sure your pins get seen by as many people as possible, you need to optimize them for Pinterest's search engine, known as Pinterest SEO. This means using those keywords you researched in your pin titles, descriptions, and even in the text on the image itself. The more relevant your pin is to what people are searching for, the more likely it is to be seen and clicked on. It's also a good idea to create multiple pins for the same product using different images and keywords. This gives you more chances to be found and increases the likelihood of making a sale. Another way to increase your chances of success is by joining group boards and communities on Pinterest. Group boards are boards where multiple people can post pins, which means your pins can reach a wider audience. You can find group boards by searching for them on Pinterest or using websites like PinGroupie. Once you join a group board, start posting your pins there, and don't forget to engage with the community by liking and repinning other people's content. As you start posting pins and getting clicks, it's important to keep track of what's working and what's not. Pinterest provides analytics tools that show you how many people are viewing and clicking on your pins, as well as how many people are saving them. Use this information to see which pins are performing the best and try to create more content like that. If something isn't working, don't be afraid to try something new. The key to success with Pinterest affiliate marketing is to keep experimenting and learning as you go. If you want to make serious money with Pinterest affiliate marketing, you need to be consistent. This means posting new pins regularly, staying active in group boards, and always looking for new products to promote. It might take some time to start seeing results, but don't get discouraged. Many people who are successful with Pinterest affiliate marketing didn't start making big money overnight. They kept at it, learning from their mistakes and refining their strategies until they found what worked. Remember, the goal is to create content that is valuable to your audience. If you're always thinking about how you can help your audience solve a problem or find what they're looking for, you'll be on the right track. When people see your pins and think, "That's exactly what I need," they're much more likely to click through and make a purchase. So, there you have it. A step-by-step guide to making over $1,000 a day with Pinterest affiliate marketing. Start by setting up your business account, choose a niche you're passionate about, join some affiliate programs, create eye-catching pins and optimize them for Pinterest's search engine. Stay consistent, keep learning, and most importantly, have fun with it. With time and effort, you could turn Pinterest into a serious income stream. Have you tried Pinterest affiliate marketing before, or are you thinking about it? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more like this.